Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Saina, your sustainable energy champion, and today we are talking about solar energy in breaching the gender inequality. Welcome and listen to the big question: who is the biggest beneficiary of renewable energy, and specifically solar? We are going to look at the application of solar in washing. Um, Fetching water and washing of clothes among African women consumes up to 4 hours a day. These activities can be um, made efficient by investing in a washing machine. With a washing machine, we can solarize the machine, and women will have enough time to pursue other activities um, that uh, are presumed to be male activities. Women will have enough time to study. Women will have enough time to pursue professional development. Women will have enough time to pursue leadership. So, if we want to promote the women empowerment, solar energy in washing of clothes and pumping of water used for washing can be done using solar. So with a 5 kilowatt system, um, you can have a washing machine and be able to power it. So that one will save women. Thank you very much. See you again when we discuss more about solar.